If you're comparing air purifiers for your apartment, two popular options are the Levoit Core 400S and the Coway AP-1512HH. Both are highly rated, but which one actually makes more sense for apartment living? The Core 400S is designed for larger spaces, making it a strong option for living rooms or open apartments. The Coway is better suited for medium-sized rooms, like bedrooms. Both use HEPA filtration, but they differ slightly in airflow and design. The Core 400S moves more air, while the Coway is known for efficient filtration in smaller spaces. The Core 400S includes smart features and app control. The Coway is more simple and manual, but still includes air quality indicators. For bedrooms, the Coway can feel more compact. For larger spaces, the Core 400S has more power. If you want something for a smaller room, the Coway is a solid choice. But for larger apartment coverage, the Core 400S usually makes more sense. Check both models in the description to compare prices and details. And if you want to see how the Core 400S compares to another popular option, check out this next video.